Hey guys, Armin here from stopmotionjoy.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your armature in Puppet Master. The Puppet Master is a web-based interactive armature design platform designed for stop-motion artists to be able to easily create their custom armatures based on their character design. So let's begin. We start by going to stopmotionjoy.com. Under the menu, select Armatures, then select Custom Armatures. Scroll down and select Click to launch. In this window, you can see some basic information about the optimal settings for running the platform. From there, click on Launch Now. After a few moments, the platform will launch. In the first window, there are two fields. We call those project information. The first field is the username. You need to enter your full name in the first field, and for the second field, we enter a name for the design which we call character's name. If this information does not exist, the application will create a new project file, and if the information already exists, it will load the existing project. We need to check the checkbox and then click on Let's Roll. Right off, we see a message which says if we want to take a quick tour of the application. For now, I click No, but if you want, you can click on the Yes and it will show you some information about the application. After those steps, we are ready to create our design. Just a quick note that do not be intimidated by all the options and buttons. Using this application is fairly simple and pretty much straightforward. If you take a look at the upper left, you can spot the design plate options. To load a character design, to create my armature based on it, I select Load Design. It will open a new window that lets me choose an image file for my character design. Image must be with aspect ratio of 1, in other words, a square image file, and also it needs to be in JPG format. After the image is loaded, I can adjust the size and the position of the design plate. I'm going to create a 25 cm armature, so I scale the design plate using the size slider. I also reposition it to the center using the slide slider. I use the position slider to vertically adjust the position of the plate design so that the feet touch the baseline at 0 cm. To set up the design for the side view, I click on the camera icon to change the viewing camera and then repeat the steps. The next thing you can do is to choose a unit for your design under the unit window. You can select centimeters or inches. Now we are ready to set up our armature to match it with the design. There are some yellow controllers on each joint by which you can reposition the respectable part of the armature. Remember to always start with the pelvis joint. After positioning the pelvis joint, we can continue with other joints, simply by selecting and dragging joint controllers. For the shoulders, there are three options that you can choose from: small, medium, and big. For this character, I'm going to select big option. After you are satisfied with the front view design, you can change the view to the side view by clicking the camera icon and reposition the joints on the side view to match the armature with your design. Notice that there is a floating yellow sphere hovering between the neck and the chest. That is an indicator of where the character's shoulders are placed. I reposition the joints so I'm satisfied with the spine and also the shoulders and the neck as well. There are some options for the legs and feet as well. For big or tall characters, it is recommended to select 7mm leg joint size and 7mm feet joint size. After you are satisfied with the armature design, you can click the camera icon to enter the perspective view and view your design from different angles. If everything looks good, now it is time to submit your design. Otherwise, if you want to resume your project later and make some changes, remember to save your project before exiting the application. To submit your design, simply click the Submit button and fill the fields. For the last step, I click the Yes button and the design will be submitted. After submitting the design, we will review your design, and if everything looks good, we proceed with making your armature. Let's try another design. I click on the new load project, enter a new name for my design and repeat the process. Using this platform is very easy. It simplifies the process of armature making and is a better way for artists to create their custom armatures.